If you haven't heard of it yet, Dependabot is a tool that GitHub has that will automatically, every now and then, go and check for updates to your dependencies and install them and create a pull request for you that has those updates in. So if there's any security vulnerabilities in that were fixed in minor versions, GitHub and Dependabot can go and automatically fix this for you. So all you have to do is click merge and have that sorted. It's a great way to keep up to date with things. So we could go through and look at the quick start guide to see how to set it up. But essentially, all you really need to do is in your application, go to the GitHub directory and create a dependabot.yml file and put some configuration in there. So I've just pasted one in. We've got a YAML language server here, which is telling us basically these are the properties that can exist in here. It's just a schema for this file to help an IDE or anything else figure out what's going on. And we're using version 2 of this. And then the main part is this update section, which we've got a handful of things in here. So the very first one I've got is for the GitHub Actions ecosystem. Every month, check if any of the GitHub Actions things that we might have. So for example, in our GitHub Workflows directory, it's going to check everything in there. And if there's something that might be out of date, for example, if Actions Checkout v5 comes out, it's going to go and make a pull request to try and update that to v5 and then see if our application still works by running that pipeline in CI. Now, same here for Docker. We're not currently using Docker in this application, but we will be later on, so I'm including it here. We're also doing the same for Composer, and we have a little bit of configuration, so we're grouping up major and minor updates and security patches in a slightly different way. And then the same for NPM or PNPM as well. So by having this configuration all set up here, we don't really have to do anything ourselves. Every month, or however long we set this interval, we could set it to weekly, we could set it to daily, however long. Right now I've got this set to monthly, just because I don't want to get inundated with lots of pull requests every single day. It's going to go and it's going to check every single one of these ecosystems, see if there's an update to be had, and let you know if there is. Really helpful.